All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Maxima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, navigation system, alloy wheels, fog lights, 24,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread. This bad boy. Get there or what? It's just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. That's some glue. That's some glue. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread is just over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. We jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you folks. Find the key. Boom, I got it. All right. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. It is a push start system. You got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 24,522. Got your Navi system, AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats right over here. And then you get your sport mode and all that other stuff right there. All right, pretty much completes the tour here. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, the whole rotational rips does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks okay. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. I had to tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just engulf it all. Tire thread. Just at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. Oh, the tears, the rips. Front passenger's door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger rim looks pretty good. What is that? Some light scratches here. I'll say some curbing. 10 or more just engulf it all. Tire thread. Just under 730 seconds actually. Pretty bad curbing right here. Pretty much it. Headlights are working, car is working, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Maxima SV model with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.